Hi, this is Darren Mar-Elia. You may know me as the GPO guy, and I'm here today for SDM Software as a follow-up to my first video on SDM Software's new Change Manager for Group Policy tool. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can use Change Manager to control linking of GPOs. If you'll remember, in the first video, I talked about how you can use Change Manager to control changes to group policy objects and to be able to perform approval-based workflows of those changes. In this demo, I'm going to show you how you can manage containers that GPOs are linked to. Now, containers could be Active Directory sites, they could be the Active Directory domain, or they can be OUs within your Active Directory hierarchy. Here I'm logged in as a user who is a member of the Tier 2 GPO admins group. That user has a number of GPOs delegated to them. They also have a number of containers delegated to them. And in this example, I have the client's container, which lives under the America OU. It currently has 2 GPOs linked to it. What I want to do now is perform a checkout operation on this container. I'm going to go ahead and check out the container. And once it's checked out, I can edit the container. And what I'm actually doing is editing the links around this container. So what I'm going to do is choose a new GPO to link to this container. And you can see here that the link is added to the end of my link list, and I have the ability to enable it, enforce it, or I can delete existing links. I've gone ahead and enabled this link and pressed OK. Now at this point the link is not live, it's just been made in the system. I'm going to go ahead and check in and mention what this change relates to. And once the check-in occurs, I'm going to log in as an approver for the Tier 2 admins group, in this case L. Granger admin, and go into this user's My Object screen, and under Containers you'll see that the client's OU is checked in and waiting for approval. Now the first thing I want to do is view what was changed, so I can look at the change that was made by K. Vemden, compare the changes in the GPO linking, and you can see here that I've added a link to the America's Drive Mapping policy. That looks good to me, so I'm going to go ahead and approve the change. And now once it's approved, I can deploy it. And as with GPO changes, I can either choose to deploy immediately or schedule the deployment at some time in the future. I'm going to go ahead and deploy immediately. And once it's deployed to production, if I come into my America's client OU and hit refresh, you now see the America's Drive Mapping policy has been added to the list. And that's all you really need to do to manage linking within Change Manager for Group Policy. For more information about Change Manager, including a free 30-day trial, visit our website at sdmsoftware.com. Thank you.